So it's been a minute. I didn't have internet, and then we had like a family reunion. I was out of town, and then I didn't have internet again. Long story short, but I'm back for another installment of the Messy Mom's Guide to Makeup. And today we're going to do a quick mom face, or we're going to attempt to be quick. You guys know me, so you know how this could go. It could go good or it could go bad. You never know with me which way it's going to end up. So we'll see how quick I can actually do it. For the sake of time, I have done primer and my brows, okay? And I reverse lined just my brows, and then I just took a little bit of the extra concealer down my nose. That's all I've done, okay? So I've done primer, I've done my brows, and I did a little reverse lining. Just to clarify, so you guys know what I've done extra up to this point. Because we're gonna try to do this quick, right? I don't know if it's possible for me to be quick. My husband would say no, it is not possible for her to put on her makeup quick. But I know some of you guys don't have time, and so I wanted to show you that if you are pressed for time, you can get a quick look in, okay? So we've primed, and I did my brows. You people that have eyebrows, I envy you, because you don't have to deal with that. So primer and then foundation. I know y'all are like, Grace, you're skipping that whole triangle, not swoosh. No, that's coming, but when you're doing it in a hurry, you gotta do it the other way. So I'm painting it on, and you guys that have watched me before know why I paint it on, because I'm gonna use the blending bud to even out my skin tone, even out my complexion, okay? The blending bud's gonna do that for me. I don't like to use the brush with the circular motion on my skin type, because if you do that, especially if you have problem skin like I do, if you do that circular motion, it's gonna rough everything up, and then you're gonna show more of your imperfections. So for me, I paint it on with the concealer brush, then I hit it with a blending bud, beauty blender, whatever you wanna call it, makeup sponge. Ours are called blending buds. And then I just go in and pat it out. I know it looks super funny right now. I know, it's okay. Like I always tell you guys, it always looks worse before it looks cute, always. Always. Now, I didn't call this a 5-minute face because honestly, I don't think I've ever in my life put on my makeup in only 5 minutes. Not and actually looked halfway decent. So it's gonna be a quick face. It's not gonna be like the full glam like I usually do, you know, where I do, well, I wouldn't even call it full glam. I'm just not gonna do like all of the steps that I normally do. So right now I've primed, and then I'm just going in with the foundation, evening out my skin tone. Okay? And guys, if you are not using a blending bud, you don't know what living is. I'm telling y'all, it's just so much better. If this dampened with the rose water is like the best thing ever. It pats that foundation into the primer and sets it. And it also treats your skin. It takes away redness. It's antimicrobial. You know, you don't want stuff growing in things. It's just good stuffs. So much better. Trade out your tap water. Trade out your whatever water you use on your blending bud and use some rose water. Do yourself a favor and use the rose water instead of regular water. I know, it takes a little minute. It takes a little minute. I get it. Okay, now we're going to do a little concealer because, you know, under eye bags are not fun. And most moms have those. Yeah, I get it. A little bit of concealer in my hand. And if you've watched me before, guys, you know how I feel about this brush. This is like my multi-purpose tool. It's a perfect synthetic brush. And just FYI, always do a triangle under your eyes. People that just do that little line doesn't do you any favors, y'all. This helps, you know, make it look not even blended. How much lighter and brighter my face looks. Just from that. Just from that. And I'm just taking that damp beauty blender I had again. And patting that in. Look at the difference. See how more awake I look? I don't look like the mom bee walking around. I know. Just that one little difference of how you apply your concealer under your eye can make you look like the difference between like Walking Dead mom that needs coffee and mom that, you know, actually looks like she tried a little bit today. I'm usually the Walking Dead mom that needs coffee, just in case you guys weren't sure. The only time I put on makeup on is if I'm really going somewhere or if I'm doing a video for you guys. Just so you know. So that's super easy. Now, this is where you could change it up depending on your preference. You could use either a bronzer or a blush. Depends on what you like. I'm going to use a bronzer because I like a little contour. Even if I'm doing a quick face. Even if I'm doing a fast face. I want a little bit of that sucking in there. We've already discussed this. I have a complex. I was teased for the roundness of my face when I was younger. You guys know that. So I have an issue. So I love my contour, right? And you can put it on your little no-no. A little bit up around your hairline. And then, of course, the turkey neck. Y'all know I like to contour that turkey neck. Bronzer works for this, or you could use a contour cream. It totally doesn't matter. Just gives your face a smidge of a shape, right? Now, in a hurry, if I am in a hurry, I like to do a pretty simple eye, right? I don't want to have, spend a lot of time putting it on. So I'm going to prime. And yes, you need eye primer. I have so many people ask me, does it make a difference? Yeah, it makes a huge difference. You don't want to get granny beads on your eyelids. That little dirt looking line of all the stuff smudged in there. Yeah, this stuff makes sure you don't have that. Even if you're doing one color for a quick eye. Like seriously, y'all, you need eye primer. Okay? So I'm going to do super simple look using, of course, you know what I was going to use. I'm obsessed with this palette. It's like everything to me right now. So I'm going to use the lighter colors for a quick eye. I'm just going to use a little bit of the Adored all over my lid, and I'm just using that lower. Just the lower part of my eye. See how quick that was with that brush? That blending brush is like a game changer. And then just a little bit of light color. Is that a hard eye? Like, seriously, guys, is that hard? And it looks super cute. It's not, like, overly done. That was literally 2 steps for that eye. A blending brush and a little bit of light color. Like, that was not something that was difficult. That was not hard. You could do this. Any of y'all could do this. I'm going to grab eyeliner if I could find it in my black hole of makeup here. I have every liner but the eyeliner. Okay, there it is. Would it be a Grace video if I didn't have a mess going on? And I love our pencils. FYI, they are cream. They go on so smooth. And then you can like line your waterline without freaking out about hurting your eye because it's cream and it's smooth. And our sharpeners round it to a rounded tip. Yeah, so fun. Best thing since sliced bread. One more brush and this eye look is complete. Complete. If I find it, there we go. Liner shader brush just to blend out where I did that eyeliner. Just because you know, I put it on crooked and messy and goofy. So having a little brush just to zhuzh it out a little bit, zhuzh it out, you know, clean it up, totally does the job. That was not hard, right? Not hard at all. A little mascara. Because no look is complete without a mascara, guys. We didn't do a lot of steps or a lot of product here, guys. It's simple. It is a word, right, Laura? It's simple look. Simple look. 2 colors. Super effortless eye. Great for daytime, by the way, might I add. And you know, Epic Mascara is my go-to. It's my jam, y'all. That eye literally was 2 colors. Took me 2 seconds. Well, not 2 seconds, but didn't take long. It was these 2 colors and some eyeliner. You could totally do that. Like, it's that easy. And the colors are so wearable. And then, you know, being a mom, you could either put on like some lip plumper or the lip bonbon. Because, you know, lip balm is great. And this has beeswax and things that are good for your lips. It treats them. And there's colors. So it adds just a little smush. Just a tiny bit of shimmer and a little bit of tint. That is a quick mom face. Literally, how many minutes have I been on? Somebody tell me because my timer's not showing. I literally did my face in that much time. That never happens. But I wanted to show you guys it doesn't have to be hard. You don't have to be always thinking like, I know I do a lot of lives where there's all these steps and I'm doing all these extra things. And this was literally what? It took no time at all, right? 10 minutes. I did my face in 10 minutes. Holy cow, y'all. Seriously, never happens. Never happens. But I just wanted to show y'all how easy it is, how versatile things are. And also, too, you know, a lot of y'all have been scared of these colors. The lighter, too, look how cute that is. So simple, so easy. Literally, I will put the products that I used in the comments to show you guys it was not a lot of things. Just so you guys can see, this is something that's easily done. Oh, and say, you know, you wanted a little bit of highlight. You know, I showed y'all this before. This lighter color can be a highlight. Put a little there, little there, little there. Get your fun highlighter brush. I'm just showing you guys. Like, you can even have a little zhuzh with that. I mean, come on, y'all. So easy, so effortless, and I did it in that much time. Even blew my own mind. But again, I digress, and I do that often. So if you've watched, you know, this is a hot mess. This is the Messy Mom's Guide to Makeup. We don't care about embarrassing ourselves. We just want to show you guys how easy things can be to use for you, and that it doesn't have to be overcomplicated. That it can be just as simple as a 10-minute face to get out the door. Now, some girls could probably do it in 5, but not this girl. I'm just saying. I mean, I'm messy, so there, you have to account for me fixing whatever mess ups that I might actually do. But I love you guys. Thank you for watching. If you got some value from this video, I would love it if you'd share it with your friends. If not, that's totally cool. And if you want any information on anything that I've showed you, please message me. I'm always here to help. And like I always say, guys, I'm not afraid to embarrass myself for the sake of your beauty. I love you. Talk to you soon. Bye.